Let me ask you something very honestly. Are you tired of working hard day after day, month after month, yet still feeling like your bank balance never grows? You finish the month, you check your account, and you wonder, where did all my money go? Most of us believe the solution is simple: earn more. But the truth is shocking. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how many traps you avoid. Because most people don't lose wealth from one big mistake, they lose it silently, slowly, every day, through invisible traps they never even notice. And in today's talk, I'll reveal the 5 biggest money traps that keep ordinary people poor. And more importantly, how you can escape them. Stay with me because once you see these traps, you will never look at money the same way again. Let's begin with the most common trap: lifestyle inflation. Close your eyes and imagine your first salary day. You feel proud. You want to celebrate, so you upgrade your phone. Maybe buy those branded shoes you've been eyeing. You take your friends out. Feels good, right? And then, when your salary doubles, you shift to a bigger house, a fancier car, better restaurants. But here's the problem: if your expenses grow at the same pace as your income, your savings will always remain at zero. I call this the treadmill trap. You run faster, but you're still in the same place. Quick example: if you earn Rs 30,000 and spend 28,000, you save 2,000. Now your salary doubles to 60,000. But if you now spend 58,000, guess what? You're still saving only 2,000. You've upgraded your life, but not your future. So what's the escape plan? Reverse the formula. Every time your income rises, lock a part of it away for savings before you upgrade your lifestyle. Use the 50-30-20 rule: 50% on needs, 30% on wants, 20% saved or invested. Wealth is not built loudly, it's built quietly by resisting the urge to impress others and choosing to secure your future first. Comment if your lifestyle grew after your last raise. The second trap is dangerous: easy credit. Credit cards make us feel rich. One swipe and you can have anything: a new gadget, a weekend trip, that online shopping cart. But here's the cruel truth: credit card companies are not your friends. They are money making machines. Do you know the average credit card charges 30 to 40% interest per year? That means if you borrow rupees 50,000 and don't pay it off, in 1 year it becomes nearly rupees 80,000. Think about it. How many people lose lakhs in their lifetime? Not on investments, not on emergencies, but simply by paying interest to banks. So, what's your escape? Simple. Use credit cards only to build your score, not to fund your lifestyle. Always pay the bill in full before the due date. If you're forgetful, set up auto debit. Remember, every time you delay your bill, banks celebrate. Don't give them that pleasure. Quick comments. How many of you paid interest on a credit card at least once? Now imagine if that money had gone into your investments instead. The third trap is very silent: emotional spending. Be honest. How many of you have shopped online just because you were stressed, bored, or sad? Food delivery when you weren't even hungry? Clothes when your cupboard was already full? That's emotional spending. It happens because shopping gives a dopamine rush. It feels good for a few minutes, but it leaves a hole in your wallet for months. Here's the escape: apply the 24-hour rule. Whenever you feel the urge to buy something, wait one full day. If tomorrow you still want it, buy it. But 80% of the time, you'll lose interest. And ask this golden question: will future me thank me for this purchase? If the answer is no, close the app. Remember, you can't fill emotional emptiness with financial emptiness. Learn to pause. The fourth trap is deadly: delaying investments. Many people tell me, "Sir, I'll start investing once I earn more." But that's like saying, "I'll start going to the gym once I get fit." Doesn't make sense, right? What you lose when you delay investing is not money, it's time. And time is the most powerful wealth creator in the world. Example: if at 22 you invest just rupees 500 per month, by age 52 you'll have over rupees 17 lakh. But if you wait until 32 to start, even with the same amount, you'll have only rupees 5 lakh. The difference is not 500 rupees, the difference is 10 years of compounding. So don't wait for someday. Even if it's just 500 rupees or $5, start today. SIP, a mutual fund, an index fund, anything. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time, today. The final trap is dangerous, depending on just one income stream. The pandemic taught us this brutally. Jobs aren't guaranteed. Businesses can fail overnight. If you rely only on one salary, you're just one bad month away from financial crisis. Wealthy people know this. That's why they build multiple streams of income. Now, don't get overwhelmed. I'm not saying you need 7 incomes tomorrow. Start with one extra stream. Maybe freelancing in your skill, maybe teaching online, maybe creating a digital product, or investing in assets that give dividends or rental income. Think of your income like branches of a tree. If you have just one branch and a storm hits, the tree can collapse. But with many branches, you'll always have fruit to eat. So here's your challenge. Tonight, write down 3 skills you have. Pick one and ask yourself, how can I monetize this skill within the next 30 days? That one decision could change your life. Most people don't stay broke because they're lazy. They stay broke because they're trapped. And the worst part, they don't even realize it. But you are not most people. Today, you've seen the 5 traps clearly: lifestyle inflation, easy credit, emotional spending, delayed investing, single income dependence. And now you know the way out. So, my challenge to you is simple: pick just one trap that you are guilty of. Fix it this week, not tomorrow, not someday, this week, because freedom is built one choice at a time. If today's talk opened your eyes, share it with someone you care about. And remember, subscribing is like investing. It costs nothing today, but the returns compound over time. Subscribe to Life Decode and grow your financial wisdom with me, because in the next episode, we'll explore something even deeper: the millionaire's mindset, thinking in decades, not days. Until then, escape the traps, build your freedom, and always remember, you've got this.